All right, so this is this Volatility 75 index pair, and the first thing I do when analyzing the market is trying to determine where the market is coming from and where the market is going to. How do I do this? By identifying the trend. Daily time frame, 4-hour time frame, just basically the higher time frame. The choice is yours basically. So the first thing I noticed when I checked the 4-hour time frame on the pair was that the market is on the downtrend, right? And there's nothing sweeter than when the market is on the downtrend and there's on the higher time frame the market is on the downtrend and the lower time frame market is still on the downtrend. Nothing as sweet as that. So when I identified the downtrend on the 4-hour time frame, I spotted this candlestick pattern. A very powerful candlestick pattern. Those who are experiencing this field or who knows their candlestick patterns will understand what I'm saying. Now, this candlestick pattern is called the bearish engulfing candlestick pattern. It's a very powerful candlestick pattern that signifies a very strong bearish movement. There's a lot of strong sellers in the market, and especially in the higher time frame. It just goes to show how strong it is, right? So the only thing I need to do is find a way to jump in on the sell. So now I already know where the market is coming from. Where is the market going to? It's as simple as it's very simple. Because the market is going to sell, I'm going to look for the surest low. I'm going to find the place I know that okay, no matter what happens, the market is going to reach that low. Right? And where is the nearest low? Here. This low. This low right here is very obvious that market is going to take it out. Very obvious. So what do? I know where market is coming from. I know where market is going to. How do I jump in on the sell? Simple. I go down to the lower time frame, look out for supply and demand because I'm a supply and demand trader, right? I trade demand and supply zones. So I look for supply zones on the lower time frame that I'm going to hop in on the sell and write it down. Simple as that. So I went down to the lower time frame. I went down to 15 minutes time frame. Now, this was my entry. Now, I noticed that the market was around this region as the time I took the trade. So I noticed that market is coming down, but it's reacting on that zone. Now, what you need to understand is that no matter how little a zone is, price is going to react to it. Price is going to react to it. The only issue is the zone going to hold or not. That's the only issue here. But one thing is for sure, market is going to react to it. Now, some people now we see that the market is reacting to this place and they want to buy. No, you can't buy because it is in a downtrend. So what do? When I saw that the price was reacting to this place, I went down to the lower time frame, 5 minutes time frame, to see if I can spot like a good supply zone because there's no supply zone in the 15 minutes time frame. So I went down to the 5 minutes time frame, and then I spotted this zone here. I spotted these zones right here. Now, these zones, despite the fact that they're in 5 minutes time frame, they are still good zones to sell from because we are trying to ride the sell, of course. So that's what I did. I simply just placed my position to there, or I just triggered it when price was at that region. When price was, I took my entry somewhere around here. So price was at that region. I took my entry and then, boom, I just let it ride. Set my TP to the correct position, and that is how we end up with this. Very clean trade, by the way. It really stressed me. I just placed the trade, slept off, woke up to TP sheet, and I tried to do a breakdown for you guys. So if you like videos like this, follow me. I'm going to show you how I personally trade. And if you want to trade with me, join my Telegram channel. Link is in the bio, and let's trade together. See you guys in the next video. Peace.